Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to unbox two mystery boxes. One is from Lazada, and I have a bad feeling this will be horrible. So I paid almost 3,000 pesos for it, and the mystery box says that it has a 100% chance of having an iPhone. So it already screams scam written all over it. So let's unbox it, check it out, and see what's inside this particular mystery box. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we do a ton of giveaways on this vlog. In fact, we have a current giveaway where we're offering away a 10,000 peso shopping spree to the outlet mall with me. So we will go on a vlog together. I'll pay for 10,000 pesos worth of stuff for you, and then it'll be an awesome day. We'll even have probably bulalo after in Tagaytay. Now, apart from that, make sure that you guys watch until the very end because whatever I find inside this mystery box, be it an iPhone, I will be giving it away to one of you. So make sure that you watch till the end so that you can see the mechanics. Now, as you can see, it comes in this brown carton Lazada box, which is the usual packaging that they have for their mystery boxes. So let's just rip it open and take a look at what is inside. Okay, wait. What the? You know, there's a bunch of stuff inside, but I really have to take this one out. It's supposed to be like the main event, but it has an iPhone 4S. Now, this probably isn't like 100% original iPhone. I've yet to see. It might be refurbished or what? Where's my knife? I just really have to find out what this is. By the way, I am giving this away and whatever else I can find in this box. Make sure that you guys watch till the end. So as you can see, it has the iPhone 4S print at the front. Says iPhone 4S on the sides. The Apple logo, too shiny here, and then the box detail says here Apple, ink, 1 infinite loop Cupertino, and all of those cool details. So if you pop the box open, oh, what? Boom! So I'm not even sure if this is legit iPhone. Well, I'm at a loss for words. At least they lived up to their promise of saying there is an iPhone. Now, if it were a real iPhone, so you even have that retro charger that they used to ship with the iPhone. You see that? And then you have the charger over here. And then you have the earphones over here as well. So that's what else is inside the box. Now I just turned it on, so you see the light from the screen. It just popped up. It feels real. It really feels real. I mean, I used to have an iPhone, and this feels legit. So let's turn it on and see what the software is. If it is genuinely iOS, then wow, we got an iPhone. So we will set this aside as it is turning on and take a look at what else is inside the box. We have the music mini speaker over here in some sort of like green color. So this is it wireless? Yes, it is a wireless mini speaker. So if we pop it open, just so we have an idea what it looks like, it has some sort of like green color over there, and then you have the speaker at the bottom. This is what the bottom looks like. It's just your typical speaker. Then we also have a selfie stick, which we also found in the previous Lazada box that we opened. So it is your typical selfie stick. You put your phone and it has like a button so that you can, you know, it also comes with a selfie cam lens. So it's a removable wide lens which you can put on your new iPhone. So it has a universal clip. Just put it at the back of your phone and it should give you a wider view of whatever it is that you're taking a photo of. And it also comes with a 360-degree Mobile Legends inspired ring stand. So this is the one that you put at the bottom of your phone so that your phone stands up if you want it to be propped up as you are watching movies or whatever. So I just turned it on, and you know what? It is a legit iPhone. So it is a legit iPhone 4S. Okay, that was a surprise. I wasn't expecting this at all. I mean, It is really small compared to the standards of iPhones that we have today. Just so you guys have a comparison, this is the iPhone 4S. This is the iPhone XS Max, and you can clearly see how far Apple has come in terms of design and in terms of size. So this is what iPhones used to be, kids, when you were small and you didn't know what iPhones were. They were this small before they became so big and so much more useful. So yeah, I'm really at a loss for words, to be honest, because I thought it was 100% a scam. I was actually thinking that the title of my video was the biggest Lazada mystery box scam, but as it turns out, they kind of lived up to their promise. There is an iPhone inside the mystery box, albeit it being a very old model, one of the first few models of the iPhone. They didn't lie. I think that's the most important thing, because most of the time when you see mystery boxes, especially the stuff that we've unboxed here from Lazada, they are crap. This one, well, the accessories aren't the best. At least you still lived up to what they said in the title, that you would get 100% an iPhone. Now, apart from the Lazada mystery box, I'm also unboxing this. So this was sent over by Le Flair. Le Flair is like a luxury e-commerce site that sells luxury brands at discounted prices here in the Philippines. So you might want to check them out, leflair.ph. So they sent this box over, and I honestly don't have an idea as to what's inside of this box. So I don't know what to expect, and this is the first time I'm actually getting something from Le Flair. So we have a couple of items inside the Le Flair mystery box. It says here, we'd like to welcome you, etc., etc. Thank you, Le Flair Philippines, and let's get to the unboxing. First up, we have whatever this is. Let's take a look. We have... Oh, it's a Bodum travel mug. To those who don't know, Bodum is one, or Bodum, I don't know how you pronounce it, is one of the best brands when it comes to mugs like this one. The quality is amazing. They really keep the temperature. And I think it's made from Germany or something. Can't remember which country it is. But man, this is a really nice mug. So, after coming from the random accessories from the Lazada mystery box, this is a welcome unboxing. So yeah, thank you, Le Flair. This was really totally unexpected. The Bodum travel mug, double wall travel mug. Next up, we have one more item inside the mystery package. This is the custom style groom. Keep calm and balm down. So it is a daily shampoo and cooling aftershave. So maybe that's a sign for me to already shave my beard, because it's starting to get itchy. So so this is from Custom Bedhead for men. So that's a nice, I don't know, like a facial product. Thank you, Le Flair. So that's actually what's inside the box. So huge shout out to Le Flair Philippines. If you guys want to check out the products that they have, check them out, leflair.ph. Now, as promised, we are doing a raffle. We are giving away everything that I got from this Lazada mystery box, including the brand new, legit iPhone 4S that I'm still trying to get over the fact that I got I found the mystery box that actually told the truth on Lazada. But anyway, so we are giving everything here away. All you have to do, the mechanics are very straightforward and very simple. You have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have to like my Facebook page. I'll put the link down below. Join our Facebook community. Follow me on Instagram. And just leave a comment down below on why you should be deserving to win this mystery package from Lazada. So again, comment down below. Don't message me on Instagram. Don't spam me on Facebook. If you do that, I actually automatically disqualify you. So what you need to do is you need to comment down below on why you deserve it, and include your IG handle as well. I will be drawing the winner on November 30. So together with all of the other ongoing giveaways. So yeah, you get a chance to win a brand new iPhone. By the way, guys, apologies for the voice. It's still recovering from, well, me losing it the last few days. So hopefully, in the next few videos, I'll be back to 100%. And you should see me in my usual energetic, happy self. But for now, I hope this video was still okay for you and you still had fun as much as I did. Because I was really, I wasn't expecting that I would actually get an iPhone in a mystery box. With that said, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.
Ay, nice. Nice.
Wow. Pang display, di ba?
Oo. Saktong-sakto siya. Okay. Seryoso nag-unbox.
Oo.
Tagal mo na.
Grabe, na-speechless ako.
Parang dapat naka-ano to eh.
Ito.
Ayun oh.
Nice.
Ganda.
Oo.
Ay, may kasama na siyang stand.
Oh,
This is so
para
nice.
itayo mo sa likod.
Para tayong ano, ay sayo, mataba yung sayo. Saan payatot lang.
Wala naman daw sa size yan. Nasa galing yan.
Nice.
The award goes
So nice.
to-
And the award goes
Thank you
to...
so much.